I was born into a world of light, of warmth, of love. But I sought what no man should seek, the secret of life itself. In my laboratory, surrounded by the instruments of creation, I assembled a being from the remnants of the dead. And when the storm came, when the lightning struck, those eyes opened. What I had created was not a triumph of science, but a creature cursed to walk the earth alone. It sought kindness and found only cruelty. It reached for love and was met with fire and hatred. And so it turned its rage upon me, upon everything I held dear. I pursued it across mountains, across frozen oceans, to the very ends of the earth. But I know now, the true monster was never the creature. I am Victor Frankenstein, and this is my confession.